Hi all, welcome to dbtech. We will see how to create table space and resize the data file in Oracle database, and we can get how we can get the table space information in data files with the size, and how we can create the table space, and how to add data file to the existing table space, and how we can resize, and how we can keep the table space offline, and how we can keep that table space online, and how we can drop the table space. These are the things we can see. I'll keep all these commands in the description. You can go through with that. So this is my server, grep pmon. My db is up and running, dbtech. So let me set the environment dot inv dbtech sql plus as is dba. Let me get what are the table spaces currently exist in my database. System, sysops, undo, users, and temp. These are the table spaces we have. And what are the data files and how we can get the size in dba underscore data underscore files, you can get the information. So you can see that sysops, system, and undo users table spaces are having. These are the data files and these are the file IDs. Each data file is having the unique file ID, and this is the current sizes of the data files. Okay, so how we can create the table space? So I'm going to create table space. This is the table space name I'm going to give, and data file, this is the location I'm going to give, and the size is 50 MB. So create table space, size is 50 MB. Table space got created. Let me verify once table space got created or not. You can see that dbtech table space dbtech ts is got created, and this is the data file, and this is the file ID for this data file, and the size is 50 MB. Okay, how we can add a data file to the existing table space? Suppose I am having the dbtech and this is the data file, right? I want to add one more data file. So alter database, alter table space name, add data file, and data file location, and what is the size you want to give. So I'm giving the same. I'm giving 10 MB. So now verify. Now you can see that for dbtech ts, I have two data files, and one is 5 and file ID is 5 and one file ID is 2, and one data file size is 50 MB, one data file size is 10 MB. How I can resize the data file? So the same way, alter database data file, and you have to give the complete data file name, or you can give the file ID also, and how much space you want to increase. So I'm giving the 100 MB. Initially it is the TS1 which is having 10 MB. Now I'm giving 100 MB. Again, just verify. You can see that TS2, ts1.dbf is currently 100 MB. Earlier it is 10 MB. If I want to resize with file ID, the same, alter database data file. I want to resize this file, data file to resize 150 MB. Now you can verify data file 2 is currently 150 MB. This is how you can resize. If I want to keep my table space offline, okay, so how can I keep that? Before that, let me verify whether my table space is offline or online. In db underscore table spaces view, you can verify the status. So you can see that dbtech ts is currently online. If I want to keep it offline, yes, I can do that. Alter table space name, and offline. Table space was altered. Now verify the status once. Now you could see that dbtech is in offline status. If I want to keep it online, alter table space dbtech ts online. Now verify the status of the table space. Now you could see that dbtechts is online. In the same way, if you want to drop, yes, you can drop. And one more thing, once you created the table space with the data file, you can see all the files in this location. These are the physical files which are exist in the OS level. In this location, U02 oradata dbtech. These are the data files. You can see that dbtech ts.dbf, dbtech ts1.dbf. You can see here. These are the two data files, right? So if I want to drop the table space, yes, drop table space name, including contents and data files. It is going to remove everything from the database as well as at the OS level data files. Table space got dropped. If you verify db underscore table spaces, you could not see the dbtech ts table space anymore because it is dropped. And also I want to verify whether it got removed at the OS level or not. Earlier I could able to see dbtech ts.dbf and dbtech ts1.dbf at the OS level, right? Now verify. Now you could see that there are no files because we have given the including contents and data files. So it will automatically remove the data files from the OS level also. So this is about the table space. Thank you.